Flom here, and today we're going to be making a card. Now, for this card, you're going to need just a few things. I'm using a 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 base card, as well as a 3 3/4 by 5 inch piece of paper that I'm going to actually be doing the card on. I'm using Stays-On ink. You could use any black ink that's not going to smudge, any little bit of ribbon trim, or if you don't have ribbon, paper would be fine. I'm going to be using a stamp, but you could use a sticker. You could use paper. You could print something out. Any basic shape and any sentiment that you would like. I'm also going to be using some sprays. You could use watercolor. You could skip that step. You also are going to want something to color with, and of course, some adhesive. I'll be using double-sided tape. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is I have a really old book that's all in pieces and is just used for art. So instead of getting new paper, I'm going to be stamping onto this book page, and then I am going to be cutting it out. I'm also going to be using a piece of this book page to decorate. Now, if you don't want to do this, remember you can use any paper whatsoever, and instead of the book piece of paper, if you've got scraps of fabric, of paper, of cardstock, whatever it might be, remember that you can use that. This design is extremely flexible for whatever supplies you may have on hand. Next up is coloring. Now, these are some color pencils I've had for a very long time, although you wouldn't know it to look at them. They're clearly neglected and not being used enough. I'm just shading different colors, purple in the middle, out to pink on the edges, and you see me working in fast forward here. We're going very quickly, but I'm just coloring this. So I'm doing a butterfly. You could use any simple shape you want that you're willing to cut out. Or again, like I said, if you had a sticker, you could just skip the coloring, use a sticker. With that done, we're ready to assemble. So I have my 3 3/4 by 5 inch piece of cardstock, and I'm going to be taping a little scrap of ribbon on here. Again, this could be paper, this could be fabric, just a little scrap of something, because we're trying to get supplies used while having fun and sending something handmade to a friend. And this will work for any theme as well. Next up, I'm taping on my little piece of book paper here, and I'm just going to place it just a little higher than center, and I'm going to cut off any excess that's hanging over that edge. Once I have done this, I am going to go ahead and glue my butterfly down with my double-sided tape. I'm just putting it in the middle, but you could tape the whole thing if you wanted to. That's up to you. Now, this card design is meant to be flat. So when you mail it, there's no lumps, there's no bumps, there's no extra postage, nothing like that. This is very much focused on some texture and fun while being very mailable. Now, I really wanted to stitch the edges. However, I'm really aiming for substitutions and not needing a lot of tech here. So I'm using my ink pad to rub all of the edges with black. You could also use some pen work, or again, like I said, stitching. And then I'm mounting that on there. I just like the contrast it gives. It's a little extra pop of detail. And next up, I've got my stamp here for my sentiment. Again, it doesn't have to be a stamp. You could do a sticker, you could print something out on the computer, you could handwrite something. I just liked Enjoy the Now, and I really liked how it fit on my design. My final step is adding a little bit of color. Now, to do this, I don't ever use the spray on spray colors. I tend to just do what you see me doing here, which is flick a little bit out the bottom. Although in this particular one, like the little tube thing is all twisted up, and I'm not sure why that is. If you don't have that, do you have watercolor? Because if you put really flood some water in that watercolor and then do the same thing with a paintbrush, or in this case, this is a water brush, but same difference, but just kind of tap on some color, that will work too. Or again, you can skip that step. I hope you've liked this tutorial. Super quick and easy little look at a fun little card. I'm trying to catch up on sending some things to friends and having some fun and creativity while I do it. Have a great day, and be sure to subscribe for more videos.